damn, got it, damn, got it. One bad bitch, and she do what I say so. Two big 40s and a big ass Draco. 3 more millions when you ask how my day go.
What's up, LWL gang? It's your girl Alexis, and today I am back with another video. Yes, I'm back with another video. So today I am putting some decorations. Well, not decorations. Well, kinda. Yeah, okay, decorations in my car. Some of them I already have on here, so y'all probably just gonna see them. So I'm gonna go ahead and get right into it because it's hot in this car. And I don't want to waste no gas. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and get that bell ding. And right now I'm going to show y'all the stuff that I already have on my car. So this is my wheel. It's the little diamond one. It's so cute. It's really cute. All of these things, most of these things in this video I got from Amazon. So I will be putting the links in the description box if you guys would like to purchase these things off Amazon. Tassel, my graduation tassel. I got this little thing, with the charms from Yankee Candle. They have like a charm. It's like a big Pandora bracelet for your car. It's very cute, and it comes with a scent. And if you've been in my car, you smell this scent. It smells very good. Very sure smell. Okay. And then this is another thing. I got this off Amazon for like, I think $7. It's so cute and it's easy to apply. It comes with the directions. The people who sent it were so nice. They had little thank you cards and stuff in it. Yeah, that's cute. Okay, so first thing, I'm gonna put something easy in here. Okay, so I bought this trash can bin. I'm not sure the cost, but I will, like I said, I will be leaving the links down below. I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened any of these things, so I don't know if, yeah. It's the size of a cup, so it will fit in your car, in your little cup holder. And then you just push the button. Push, 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 push. Because I noticed, I needed this in my car anyway, because I leave a lot of receipts in my car and be just sticking them in the door, like for instance right here. I stick them right here on the side of the doors and stuff like that. Next, I bought these coasters that light up for your water bottles and such stuff like that and stuff, so you can see, because I'm a really blind bat at night. So when I start reaching for stuff over here in my cup holders, I be grabbing everything but my freaking drink. But I will show y'all the results of these at night. It's daytime right now, so of course I'm not gonna sit in this car till it get night. I'm gonna go in the house and come back, do the same thing. So this is it. These are how they look. They have snowflakes on them, but it's not gonna matter. I just wanted the lights for them. They're not gonna come on now because I need them to charge. So yeah. And like I said, I'll show y'all the results of these when I dang it, they didn't come out right. When it's nighttime. I guess I gotta let them boot up or charge up before they actually light up. So y'all will see that effect tonight. Well, when I record the part when it gets dark. Okay. Next, I'm gonna install these. It's a music LED lights. Yeah, I said LED lights, so that we call them the strip lights. So each one, I guess, is gonna go on. One is gonna go on the driver's side, the passenger side, and the seat. I don't know what I'm doing, so we're gonna take a minute. I'm reading. Okay, kind of self-explanatory. Let's go and open the pack. This is the remote. Sitting aside for right now. Right now, we just need to get these bad boys. Okay, so what do I do with this? Okay, no. Ooh, a lot of cording here. So gonna pull these. I don't know what I'm doing. I see 4 strips, so I guess 2 go on each side. Okay, so I'm gonna have to hop out. It's a lot, right quick.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just competing for attention. And you like, I'm not on no games. Well, baby, I've been peeping, and you ain't been the same. Like, you been on your mind. Who got your time? Who you been vibing with, and why can't let you mind? You used to be texting me, checking me, calling me your sign. And now you treat me like my world less than a dime. And if we paint a perfect picture, we can make it last forever. And you're the only one I want to wrap my arms sweater. I told you I am down for the worse or the better, but I keep sticking to you 'cause I'm for a stupid letter. Singing love songs, love songs, love songs, singing love songs.
Okay, so yeah, I finally got them LED lights in, right? Yeah, I cut my car on for like a few minutes because I got hot doing that, getting down on my knees and jank, and yeah. So my next item, I got a humidifier for my car. No, just to have clean air. So yeah, let's see. And once again, this like a cup, it can fit your cup holder, so it's okay. Yeah. So I'm very thankful that I do have 2 plugs instead of just my car charging port. I have a box back here that can fit these on it. So very lucky for that. So we're gonna put the humidifier towards the back. Here we are. Y'all, this thing hard to find. Yo, this thing here. To go to the back because I can't see, and obviously my hand's not working. Okay, here we are. I have to read instructions, y'all. By tonight, y'all gonna see everything in full effect because it's hot out here and I'm just trying to get everything installed in my... I don't know how this supposed to work, so let's read directions. Okay. So we're gonna unplug this real quick. We're gonna turn this way. And we add water. Why did I throw that freaking water away? I'm so freaking... Anyway, y'all will see this tonight. Because I got to go all the way back upstairs just to feel this. I'm not gonna do it. I got to go back upstairs just to fill this up. And so, yeah. So, I will be giving y'all the full effect of everything in my car. How it gonna look, how it turned out. So, yeah, I'll see y'all in the next clip.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile